Big flavour, minimal effort. Enjoy a taste of Turkish cuisine with this super tasty veggie delight. Crunchy base, succulent filling. You're getting all those vitamins and minerals on the table without the hassle. Halve the onion and then slice it into thin strips. Next, finely chop the parsley. Crush a peeled garlic clove and crumble the feta cheese into the bowl. Now give it a good old mix-up. To make the pide, we're using ready-to-roll pizza dough as a quick time-saving hack. Roll out the pizza dough on baking paper and cut it in half lengthwise. We are making 2 pide, 1 per person. Fold the pastry over by 1.5 centimetres. Pinch the long end corners together. Spoon the feta cheese mixture in the middle. The boat shape allows the pide to crisp up on the outside, while the filling remains deliciously succulent. Sprinkle with black cumin for a lovely hit of aromatic, earthy flavour, a classic ingredient in Turkish recipes. Drizzle a little olive oil onto the edges of the dough. Bake for 15 minutes or until the dough is golden brown. Finely chop the mint leaves, excluding the stalks. Mix together the buttermilk and yogurt. Then season with salt and pepper. Scatter with the mint and combine it into a deliciously creamy, herby combo. Use the bowl you mix the feta in to make the salad dressing. All extra flavours very welcome here. In goes a tablespoon of olive oil and the same quantity of vinegar. Season with salt and pepper, sugar. Give it a whisk up and then prep your salad veggies. Now it is time to serve up. This is what you've been waiting for. Hot, succulent, super tasty and brilliantly diverse. This is a veg-tastic dinner that will get everyone to the table. Super quick. Enjoy this brilliant recipe